the explosion of seed oil in our diet. Since the early 1900s, seed oil consumption has exploded, and so have chronic illnesses. Let's look at the numbers. In the United States, seed oil intake has risen from near zero in 1900 to over 80 grams per person daily. At the same time, macular degeneration rates have skyrocketed, now affecting 11 million Americans, with projections of 22 million by 2050. Other vision issues, glaucoma, retinitis pigmentosa, diabetic retinopathy, are rising right alongside heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Doctors like Dr. Chris Kenobi have done research and are speaking out